In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in your dashboard in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll confidently place a logo, banner, or any visual right where you want it, and tailor how it looks so it complements the rest of your dashboard. Start by opening the dashboard where you want the image to appear. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar. This is your control center for adding and managing dashboard content. Look for the plus sign. This is the button you use to add widgets. Go ahead and click the plus sign to open the widget options. From the list of available widgets, choose Image. Click Image to insert a new image widget into your dashboard. As soon as you do, a panel will appear on the right side of the screen. This panel is where you control the layout and appearance of your image, and it's worth taking a moment to understand these options so your final result looks clean and intentional. You'll see choices for how the image should fit within its frame. Fill will make the image cover the entire widget area, which is great for banners or photos where edge-to-edge coverage looks best. Fit keeps the entire image visible inside the space, preserving the aspect ratio and avoiding any cropping, ideal for logos or graphics that must not be cut off. Actual size displays the image at its original dimensions, which is helpful when you need pixel precision and want to avoid any automatic scaling. Below that, you can control margins. If you select no margin, the image will sit flush against the edges of the widget, creating a bold, tight look. If you choose with margin, Smartsheet adds a bit of breathing room around the image, which can make text and other widgets nearby feel more balanced. Think of margins as your built-in white space tool. Now it's time to add your visual. Drag and drop your image file directly into the image widget area. You'll see it appear right away. If it doesn't look quite right at first, use the layout options in the right panel to adjust fill, fit, or actual size, and toggle the margins until it aligns with your design. Small tweaks here can make a big difference. That's all it takes. Click the plus sign, choose image, adjust the layout in the right panel, and drag and drop your file. With those quick steps, your dashboard gains a polished, branded touch that helps your audience focus on what matters.